one more thing. Actually, these four things are one. Because the inevitable consequence and result of real faith is amal salih. It's impossible that you have real faith, the burning faith, the living faith, the personal conviction, and you don't act according to it. It's impossible. The difference is between the verbal attestation of the faith and the real conviction. Here lies the world of difference, the total difference. We are Muslims only on the basis of a verbal attestation. We profess, we claim, we testify. Nashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa nashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. It's a testimony. It's a verbal attestation, nothing else. And so long as it doesn't go down into the depths of our hearts, there can be a contradiction in whatever we say and whatever we do. And that is the condition of the most of the Muslims today. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu lima taquluna ma la taf'alun. And why it is so? Walamma yadkhulul imanu fi qulubikum. The Iman has not entered your hearts as yet. It's only on the tips of your tongues or on your lips. قالت الأعراب آمنا قل لم تؤمنوا ولكن قولوا أسلمنا ولما يدخل الإيمان في قلوبكم. Ayah number 14 of Surah Al-Hujurat. But such people are also Muslims because they have testified. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Whosoever utters these words, whether he was Hindu or Parsi or Sikh or Christian, he becomes a Muslim immediately. But Islam is something else, Iman is something else. Iman means yaqeen, conviction. And when there is conviction, your actions, your deeds, they will definitely be changed. That is why the Prophet said, La imana liman la amanata lahu wa la deena liman la ahda lahu. عن أنس بن مالك رضي الله تعالى عنه قال قلما خطبنا رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إلا قال لا إيمان لمن لا أمانة له ولا دين لمن لا عهد له. It's very seldom that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave any sermon to us and he didn't include these words in his sermon. There is no Iman for such a person who is not amana, who is not trustworthy, who is khain. And there is no deen of a person who doesn't fulfill his words, his promises. No deen, no Iman. Simple. Actions and Iman, they are joined together, inevitably.